We want to draw a diagram to represent the inequalities y is greater than -1 and less than or equal to 4, leaving the required region unshaded. Let's look at the inequalities involved. We have y is greater than -1. Note the direction of the inequality sign. We need to draw the line y equals -1, and because it's just a less than here, we need to draw it dashed. So we have the line y equals -1, which is a horizontal line through -1, drawn as a dashed line. The other inequality is y is less than or equal to 4. We have to draw the line y equals 4, and it needs to be a solid line because of the less than or equal to. So here we have the solid line going through y equals 4, and we should label it. The region we want is between the two lines. We're told to leave this region unshaded, so we shade everything else.